Hello, welcome to Revolotto. In this video, we're going to learn how to participate in Revolotto public presale. Let's start. First tap on the DApp section. Now visit the website, revolotto.org. Tap on the Done button now. Revolotto website will now open. Close the pop-up, and change the network to Smart Chain. Close the white paper pop-up, and scroll down to the presale section. Now tap on the Participate button. Now tap on the Connect button to connect your Trust wallet to participate in the presale. Now you can see Revolotto presale details on the web page. Scroll down the web page to buy Revolotto. Once you buy, your Revolotto coins balance and contributed BNBs will be shown here. To buy Revolotto coins, please enter the amount of BNB. When you enter the BNB amount, it will automatically count the number of coins you will going to get. Now tap on the Buy button to proceed the transaction. Tap on the Approve button to confirm the transaction. The transaction will be completed within few seconds and you will see the confirmation message. Now the transaction has been completed. If you scroll down, you'll see your contributed BNB and Revolotto coins balance. After participating in Revolotto's presale, your purchased Revolotto coins will not be immediately received in your wallet. You will have to wait until the presale closes, and then the Withdraw button will appear on the presale web page to withdraw your Revolotto coins. To add the Revolotto coins in the Trust wallet, please visit the Revolotto website and copy the Revolotto contract address. After copying the Revolotto contract address, then add it into the Trust wallet. After participating in Revolotto's presale, your purchased Revolotto coins will not be immediately received in your wallet. You will have to wait until the presale closes, and then the Withdraw button will appear on the presale web page to withdraw your Revolotto coins. As soon as the presale closes, Revolotto will be immediately listed on the PancakeSwap exchange, and then Revolotto's coin can be easily bought and sold through the PancakeSwap exchange. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, stay connected to our social media. For more details, please visit our documentation. The link is provided in the video description.